space where the lighthouse guides me home. Now I'm out of time and out of place. All the rocket ships have gone, and I think of childhood memories, looking up into the dark, when we whispered words on everything and we wondered why we aren't. But when you come back, tell me how it was. I'll be okay, I'll be alright, because you're a sight for sore eyes. And I
Non-specific alert. Non-specific alert.
This message is being transmitted at the request of the Stone and Barre County Emergency Management Agencies. New alien creature spotted over rural portions of Stone and Barre counties. This alien has the following appearance traits. She is observed to currently be an estimated 6 feet, 4 inches tall, with an unknown weight, but has slightly overweight figure, blue fur, shoulder-length hair in a pale blue hue, and dark greenish-violet colored eyes. She is last seen wearing a dark purple shirt and shorts with a faded purple pointy hat and same colored cape, both with a stud pattern on them. People with knowledge of this matter are describing her as a unicorn, though that is unverified at this time by NASA. She is also observed exhibiting a levitation ability and could be on her way to fight the lightning conjurer known as Raytom, who was described in the previous alert. If you see either of these two entities, leave the area you are at, preferably by car. Sheltering in place will result in death. If any equestrian approaches you to assist you escape, allow them to aid. They are there to save your life. Please stay tuned to the EAS or local media for more information on this matter.
You're a breaking wave and I'm not a fighter. When I come back down from the other side and there's nothing left to hide, will you be there? Will you be there? And when I've given up all of the strength in me and I'm nothing but your memory, when I'm prepared, will you be there? You're a sight for sore eyes.